Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to export Microsoft Edge favorites or Edge data to Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let me show you. So first, go into Microsoft Edge. You will get this kind of interface over here, and now we just need to select this three dot. And now you just need to select the favorites options, and here you can find this three dot more options. Click on that, and here you can find export favorites and click on that. And here you just need to export the file. So we will going to export it in desktop and click save. Here you can see here is our export file. And now I will going to open it into Google Chrome. Come over this three dot option and go for bookmarks and list. Click on that. And here you will find the option called import bookmarks and settings. Click on that. And here we are in import bookmarks and settings. Click on this here and you will find bookmarks HTML file. Click on that and click on the choose file. And we just need to select desktop over here and select the HTML file, and you can see import bookmarks and settings. Your bookmarks and settings are ready. So click on done. So this is how you can export Microsoft Edge data to import Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.